Finding out your child was harmed at daycare can be absolutely gut-wrenching. What's even more infuriating, discovering that the daycare made an attempt to cover up your child's injury in an effort to save themselves. Today, we want to discuss what to do if you discover your child's daycare attempted to cover up neglect or abuse. According to the Texas minimum standards, daycares must let parents know of any incidents involving their child. The daycare needs to provide the parent with the details surrounding an incident, including when the incident happened, how it happened, who was involved, and any physical injuries as a result of it. Unfortunately, in our work as daycare injury and neglect attorneys, we've seen a lot of childcare centers try to cover up the abuse and neglect that happened on their watch. Let's talk about the signs that your child is being neglected or abused at daycare. The most common signs are regressive behavior, unusual aggression, extreme clinginess, or physical symptoms like bruising and cuts. If you notice anything unusual about your child, it's important to investigate. First, if your child's daycare has cameras with recorded video, look at the footage and see if anything happened. Then, talk to your child and let them know they can tell you if something's going on. Be sure to take photos of all physical injuries. After this, you'll want to ask the daycare what happened. They're required to tell parents. And if you're getting mixed stories or the daycare can't explain what happened, this should be a red flag. Regardless, if your child has suffered an injury or you suspect they're being abused or neglected, be sure to report your concerns to the state immediately. Even if you're not quite sure about what happened, the state will be able to investigate the daycare independently and report its findings. Finally, contact a daycare injury lawyer. Daycare injury attorneys, like our team here at the Button Law Firm, have experience getting answers from negligent daycares. It's important that you get a daycare injury attorney to hold the daycare accountable and prevent these incidents from happening to other kids in the future. If you believe your child was involved in an incident at daycare, but you think the daycare is trying to cover it up, be sure to contact our daycare injury legal team at the Button Law Firm. We've handled many cases involving daycare cover-ups, and we're here to help you. If you're not quite ready to speak to a member of our team, we understand. But be sure to download our free 5-step guide on what to do after a daycare injury. It's linked below. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to keep you and your family moving forward.